Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, it's going to be short and sweet. I just wanted to show you guys how I recycled and reused this kind of like bakery packaging. My wife had bought some, I think, chocolate chip cookies or muffins, and it's pretty wide on the top here and the sides, so nothing is going to get squished inside. And I wanted to use it to package up the little chunky embellishments that I made for my series the other day. And I love it, you guys. I love it so much. I ended up decorating the top with some cardstock. I used the foamy stickers from Dollar Tree. I put this cute little bat. I propped up its wings to make it look like it's flying away. And I love it. Look, you guys, how cute the little embellies look inside. I added some crinkle paper on the bottom. I found some of this crinkle paper from last year in my stash. So I put a bunch, and I love that it has like the little brown craft paper because it matches really good with the little embellishments that I made. But don't they look so cute, you guys? I love it. I love the way it turned out. Super cute. And it's a great way to reuse some packaging when you purchase some baked goods, or I think they put, yeah, like a lot of baked goods, bakeries and stuff like that. But yeah, you guys, that's my super short and sweet little video, just sharing you guys how I packaged up the embellishments. One lucky winner is going to be winning this, so make sure you entered that giveaway because this is how it will be arriving to you. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.